What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, we got the rest of the parts. It's about time to start putting Project Two-Tone together. Let's see what we got. Yeah. Ooh. Man, look at that. Fresh out of the booth. And check it out, Kevin's already started working his magic. Dude, it looks like a GT again.
Yes, sir.
Man. Yeah, guys, side skirts on. What a freaking project. But we've got all the got the fuel door, got the side pieces. Here's the rear bumper cover. Man, that's great. And there's the other side skirt and the hatch. Got a little pine straw on it on the way back. But guys, I did have a little bit of bad news, so I'm gonna go ahead and break the bad news to you right now regarding the tails. All right, boys, so here's the deal. The paint on the graders were in really good shape. We were like, yeah, they'll be good. But when we went to install them, yeah, not even close. Like, not even, you ain't pulling that off. So we didn't have any more paint, and at this point, you know, we're trying to get this thing done. So this is what I'm gonna do. The graders will go with the car, obviously, but for finishing, we're gonna put some LX tail lights. I know most of you guys, well, I don't know, at this point probably 50% of you guys will be like, yeah, I'd rather have the LX tails anyway, and then some of the other ones will be like, no, I want the graders. So the LX tails are going in. The graders will go with the car. If the winner chooses to get them repainted, you know, that's all you. But yeah, unfortunately, we're gonna have to go ahead and slap the LX tails in, which, I mean, it's gonna look good anyway. That's probably one of the most popular mods ever done to GTs. What do you think? Prefer graders or LX?
I don't know, man. Everybody's got their own preference. I mean, they do look good.
Now that they've gotten older, I'm kind of, I'm into the graders again, you know. But dude, that looks amazing. Starting to look like a GT, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Oh, that looks great. Yeah, it's gonna be awesome. Woo, we got progress. This is the biggest progress right here. Kevin, you can't tell me this doesn't look amazing.
Oh, I love it. I'm here for it.
Yeah.
This is what makes you smile when they're going together fast.
Yes.
And every little piece is working out. You know.
That looks so good.
Other than someone says I'm 80 or something.
Yeah.
How old did you say I was?
How old did you say Kevin was?
It's what, 58?
58, 58.
Yeah. You're gonna retire this year, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm gonna get on that SSI or something.
Yeah.
Right after this video. I'm
So
go
check it out, guys.
I'm
We're
gonna go sign up for ARP.
starting to look like it. Got the new door to bodies are in. Make sure that's not falling down. Yeah, and then of course the hatch is on.
Wing next.
Yeah, we gotta throw the wing on next. Kevin's finishing up the back bumper here. Got the other side skirt on. And then of course this side door to body is in. I'm telling y'all, it's really starting to come together. But I'm telling you, it's all this little stuff. The fun stuff is dropping in motors and, you know, all of that, bolting on cool parts.
That was fun for y'all.
Yeah, this is the tedious stuff that's not exciting for video. The results are nice, but I don't think anybody wants to actually watch it. But anyway, we're gonna get back at it. All right, checking in. We got a full ass shot here. Tell me that doesn't look freaking amazing. I didn't want to take the graders off, but you gotta admit,
It does look good.
what do you think, Alex? Yeah. Alex unconcerned with the. I love it.
Am I gonna win? That's all I want to
I don't know, maybe. You never know.
That's right.
No, Alex is not going to win. And none of you can either, so.
I gotta need another car.
Exactly. You don't have room for another car. But man, let me tell y'all. That is what's up. That looks freaking amazing.
I didn't realize how much the two-tone really come back and looks good.
Oh, yeah. Dude,
You know what I mean?
I'm a fan.
Why is everything in the 90s we wanted to change, and now we're changing it back
Exactly.
the way it was?
Let me tell y'all. Well, we've been on this thing like 8 hours today.
Getting close.
It's been a freaking day, but guys, I'm not sure if we showed you in the last segment with the hatch down and the spoiler on it, but just feast your eyes. The more this car gets together, the more I'm like, God.
It goes fast. It shows you.
Well, I'm just like, I knew the car was
It's
gonna.
momentum. That's what I'm saying, man. It's
Yeah.
like every little piece is like, bang, bang, bang. You know, here we go.
I knew the car was gonna look good, but seeing it now, like Kevin's got all the side skirts on this side, and yes, sir. Hold on, let me get back here. Yes, sir. Bumper cover is 95% in. Fog lights in, as you can see. Brand new fog lights. Wow.
Yeah,
Not bad.
lights and we'll be done.
Yeah, got the lights right there. Gonna put those in here in a minute, but told y'all this car right here. Oh, we gotta get one more side shot over here.
You might be lucky and set the wheels on and set it down after we, you know.
Yeah, which I've still. I guess I can go ahead and start putting the interior back together. I think we've got everything in. Yeah, guys. I'm just telling you, whoever gets this car, you're going to love it.
I'm liking it.
I freaking love it. I would love to keep it for myself. I ain't gonna lie, this thing's amazing. This thing going down the road, we're gonna get some rollers of this thing, but oh my God.
Yeah, it's growing on me for sure.
Oh, yeah.
I was like, you know, first of all, I was like a little skeptical two-tone, you know what I mean?
Uh-huh.
Two-tone, and then
You didn't have any faith in me, Kevin. You gotta have faith,
I
man.
look, it's not you. It's just two-tone period. And seeing it now,
Yeah, this
blue
is
car is definitely going two-tone now.
definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely. Well, yours is 89 also. Or this isn't
mine's
89.
a 88.
88.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, guys, long slog today. I know it's not very exciting to watch, but seeing the progress is amazing. This car is ridiculous. All right, boys, we are wrapping up today. This has been a long day, but look at that. Yeah, we're getting there, guys. Getting there. So, got some more parts to order. Got to get all the interior put back together. We've got to paint the mirrors and some of the window trim, and we're pretty much there. So, I appreciate you guys watching. We will have full reveal and drive with probably some epic rollers as well. Huge shout out to Kevin again for the help. Alex out here helping out. I mean, it was, anyway guys, yeah, a huge team effort out here today. It's been a heck of a
I think I called him everything, but I just what his name.
This has seriously been a project. I'm not sure we're gonna go this deep again, but you guys are gonna love it. We'll catch you on the next one.